Emmanuel Kangwa.
Yes, sir.
Let's begin. We are starting now. We are starting. So the first command, since we did the stuff earlier, follow what I'm going to say. So Emmanuel Kanga type ls. When you type ls, you are listing to view the files. Okay, it is empty, which is even nice. Okay, so for Emmanuel Kangwa, it is empty. But for others who downloaded the index file, please type ls and then you will see those files. Okay, you will see those files. One of them is index.html. So I would like you to remove that index for Unza. How do you remove it? You will type rm space index rm, which is rm, remove, which is rm space index.html. Enter. So for those who have that file, when you type index.html, the file will be removed. If you type ls, you will not see it. Type ls again. I'm sure you are not able to see it. So if you are not able to see it, then better. Can we begin? Having removed the index file which we downloaded earlier, can we begin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this time around, we're going to use Cisco website. Cisco website. Just a minute. Let me just check www.cisco.com. www.cisco.com. So we are going to use Cisco website. Our guys have networks. If we have any fin, it's called cisco.com. So we are going to carry out reconnaissance on the Cisco website. We are going to do information gathering on Cisco website. On Cisco website, yes. Okay, so Emmanuel Kangwa, ping www. We want to see if this website is alive. Cisco.com. Okay, so the hacker begins by first of all checking if this thing exists. Is it responding? So for you to tell that it is responding, it must tell you that ICME sequence request is replying in milliseconds. So if it is replying, it means that the website is up and running for Cisco. Control C, stop the ping. Control C, stop the ping. Okay. Good. So now let's download the index file. Are you ready? The next thing we are going to do is download the index file. Ready?
Yes,
So you will say, you know the command which you wrote in your book, wget www.cisco.com. If you enter and it downloads the file, tell me what is the size of the file downloaded.
actually, that can be 369 KB.
Okay. 9 KB. Yes, it's 369 KB. Now, in how long have you managed to download it? In how much time?
0.3 seconds.
0.3 seconds.
Who are using fast internet 0.2 seconds. If you file. So type ls, try to see if you're able to view that file. If you are able to, if you have the file downloaded, ls,
Yes, sir.
index.html. There it is. Yes, index.html. Now you're going to look over the file. You want to check in the file. Look over the file. So to look over the file, of course, the command use more, or you can use cut. Index.html. That is one way. Yes. Very well organized index file. Now the hacker appreciates to say, okay, I think they used an expert. The other way is cut. The other way is cut index.html. Okay, so after you have appreciated the file as a hacker, the next thing you do is let's get the subdomains. So now the next question as a hacker, you are saying, okay, what subdomains do they do? Now you have begun. What subdomains does Cisco have? You want to appreciate. So you use that command I sent you on WhatsApp, the first one, the one which has a more. Cat index HTML, grep href, kwa. Paste it here, Emmanuel Kangwa. Taturubiri. We are just using that. Yes, come. Ati? No, I'm waiting for you guys to say. Time, share the screen. Albertina, bring back that command for the one which has displayed the subdomains. Bring it back to the screen on your command line. Devotion. Okay, so now at the end of you, sort you at the end of the you. Last. Put your cursor there. I want us now to pipe the results. To pipe the what? I want you to pipe the results and keep the results as what? As a text file. You're going to keep it as a what? as a text file. Okay, space. Greater than sign. Okay, now name of the file that this information will be stored in. So you call it Cisco, Cisco.txt or Cisco underscore sub. Okay, good. You enter, the information has gone into this file called Cisco underscore sub.txt or Cisco subdomains. Okay, if you want to check to see that the file exists, you can say ls, enter. Are you able to see it? Cisco sub.txt, yes?
Yes, it's visible.
Good. So then, to look over that file again, cat Cisco underscore sub, enter. All right, so we have our subdomains in the file. Good. So when we say pipe the results, we are simply saying take the results in a file. Okay, so we have piped the results into Cisco underscore sub.txt. So now, at this point, we want to, from our PowerPoint, we were saying number 4, item number 4, we said, whip up a born-again bash script to find their corresponding IP addresses. So which means we are going to write a bash script which should find the corresponding IP addresses for those subdomains there that we have found. Okay? Ready? Are we ready? Okay. You are ready? Are you embedded? Okay. So you have to write a bash script which will automate the task to retrieve the IP addresses, so that now you begin to deal with the IP addresses behind the subdomains you have gathered from the Cisco website. Okay, you are doing it on this organization or on this website. This is real hacking processes. Okay, are we ready to proceed to next stage?
Yes, sir.
Good. Perfect. Ask Tony. Ask Tony.
I want to ask on the bash website. I didn't hear you clearly. Said it
Yes.
retrieves the IP addresses of the subdomains or what?
Yes. The bash script will help us retrieve the subdomains which are behind these names. So we have got blogs.cisco.com, community.cisco.com, newsroom, software, But we want to know which IP address is under software, which IP address is under blogs, which IP under community, which IP address, yes. So that now we know the IP addresses behind them. So that we begin now to deal with the IP addresses. Clear, Stone?
It's clear, sir.
Okay, good. So now the next stage is to write a bash script. So for you to write a bash script, you need to access the nano. And the nano, inside the nano is where you are going to write a script. You know, a script is like a program. It's like a programming language, which when executed, it will run like a program automating a task. Okay? So your writing of that program, it's like you're automating that task. So when you run that task, it will do what you want it to do. Okay, so hackers do write scripts. Sometimes there are situations when you want to hack a system, but the place where you just want to hack a system is where people push in username and password. So you could, as a hacker, write a script that will be sitting password. So when a person enters a password, the script runs and sends or ships the password to you. That is one way of how scripts work. Okay? That's how also scripts work. So embed a script, password, and the script will be hidden. As a person is entering the password, login system, the script steals that password and sends it to you so that you will know the password and the username. So when they log out, you can log in like them. Okay, so it's important to know in advance how scripts are written. So we are about to write a bash script. This time around, this bash script you are going to write is going to retrieve for us IP addresses for these subdomains that we have identified on the Cisco website. Ready?
Ready.
Good. So try hack me. Your battery is about to die. Pick a power first before shimina pakati. Oh, ikuru, that's 51% or 1%. What is that? What percent is that?
31 was.
81. Yeah, because
Down, Kadia.
okay, let's write the bash script. So to write the bash script, guys, listen. To write the bash script, you go to the command line and type nano, N-A-N-O. Type nano. So when you type nano space, nano is actually a text editor. So this, it will open a text editor where you can enter the text, and now those texts become commands that will be executed to automate a task. Okay, good. Nano. So what name shall we give it? So let's give it, what name shall we give this bash script to retrieve IP addresses? Let's call it Cisco. Okay, let's call it Cisco.sh. Dot what? sh. Okay, if we all typed like that, Cisco.sh, nano Cisco.sh. So the nano is a text editor. It will open a text, new text, commands. Okay, and the name of the script is Cisco.sh. Enter. Okay, that is the nano. Good. Perfect. So on the first line, you will put hash. Hash 3. So you press it, followed by exclamation. Click inside hash, not $sign, but hash, hash on top of 3. Exclamation, hash, exclamation, backslash. No, that's forward slash. Backslash, the other one. Oh, sorry, that's the forward slash. Forward slash, bin, bin. Again, forward slash, bash. Bash, yes. So why is it called a bash? Because it bashes. You know, bashing is brute force. So this script will brute force and retrieve the IP addresses. You did the brute force, right? Brute force is by fire, by force. Count in Jesus' name. So it is going to brute force and retrieve IP addresses from those names. Okay, enter. Type 4, F-O-R. 4 space 4 space 4, not 4, 4 for this one, for this person. F-O-R space space for URL space URL space in space $sign space $sign. If you type the $sign on top of 4 for URL in $sign, open the bracket. Now inside the bracket, you say cut. So this cut is going to be looking into a Cisco. Type cut space Cisco underscore sub remove that space between. The underscore must be close to Cisco. Underscore sub sub .txt txt. I hope that is the how you saved the name. Is it how you saved the name? None.
Yes.
Is it how you saved the name?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. If that be the case, good. Close the bracket. you know the full colon, but the half colon. What do we call that colon? Okay, just say colony. Not full colon, but ile kwataka dot pamuruna ka punch na koma punch. Yes. Do. D-O. Do.
Without a space, sir.
Na mtapata space. Enter. Host. Type host. Space. $sign. URL. Space. Grep. Wika ko kalia before grep wika karaka imina karaka straight kan. Kuruma grep karaka straight karakish. Karaka the one which is on top of end. Space. Okay, ne? Is there a space there? Serako delete first, back up to URL. Kafutire kumona kena kati. Delete, backspace, sharp. Again. Anakena kafuti yako. Space. Space bar. Yes, akonomba, bring it. Bring that style. Grep. Okay. Space. Open comma. What do we call this? Space. Space. What is this? Quotation mark. Quotation mark. Yes. Now inside say has the address. Say has the has address, not as, but has yes. Address. Close quote. As address, close quote. Perfect space. Anakrake nakaiminakala on top of enter again. Outside that one say cut minus D. Cut, yeah, cut you cut for CUT. Not push, cut for CUT. Space. Kafunya po kamina siya. Space minus D. Open and close bracket. Oh, sorry. Minus D, not T. Minus D. Open and close quote. Open and close quote. Mquire. Then space. Fourth field. Minus F4. Minus F4. Minus F4. Enter. Done. Okay, good. So that is your bash script. Bash scripts normally are written to automate tasks. We know that we can, if we were to follow them one by one, those subdomains one by one, we could still retrieve IP addresses. But a bash script will help us run for all of them. Okay, so that it retrieves for all of them. So bash scripts, the benefits of using bash scripts enables us to automate tasks. Okay, so in a task is going to involve one by one, we can actually simply write a bash script which will automate a task and run that task and finish the job. Okay, without having to give you headache. So writing bash scripts actually it's a good thing. Okay, it should not scare you. You know, bash scripts are programs. So you have written a simple program that is going to retrieve IP addresses. So we say that being able to write a bash script to automate a given task is an essential requirement for any security profession. It's an essential what? Requirement for any security profession. So, but I'm a bash script. We are swat taffy. It's not a problem. Okay, so let's save the bash script now. Let us save the bash script. How do you save it? You press Control CTRL, Control down, Control O. Control O, press on Control O. I can't even see where O is. Control M. Control. Okay. Control A. Control X. Okay. So we can still check if we have bash there. James. Okay. Type ls. Yes, James. Yes, that's another way here. Actually, many way how to do it, they are just written down there. The one I was saying is control, actually it's just control M and X. X is exit. Okay, LOS. Enter. We have our script which says cisco.sh. Then we have cisco.that sub.txt. Okay, good. Right. So now we can run our script. If we have got errors, it will not run.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, is it to type or what?
to do what? To run the script.
No, to save.
To save with press control CTRL down. Why kata button ya back keyboard? Ewa press O. Ewa press M. Then X. Then you type ls. It should come out and show like try hack me.
No, sir, it's not working for me.
Control James. Just explain to the pair. Just
Control X. Y.
At a go.
Like Control X. Then
one at a time.
Or Control X, then Y.
It's like when you say control X, like you are exiting, then you ask you, do you want to save?
Oh, okay. Thank you. It's done.
All right. So now type ls, see if you have the files cisco.sh script. Do you have Cisco.sh like the one displayed by TryHackMe?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Okay, good. Now let us run the script. How do we run the script? To run the script, you first of all give it executable permissions. You give the script executable permissions. So to give it executable permissions, you type chmod ch chmod space chmod space 755. So what follows after that space again is the name of the script. The name of the script is cisco.sh. One, say nano, the same command that you opened with a for nano, cisco.sh. Enter. Yes, so where is a mistake? Cut minus D. Yeah, party. Okay, wait. Do for URL. What is this word here? Bin bash for you for is that for OR in dollar sign cat Cisco underscore sub dot txt dot txt dot txt. Okay, fukusheko panel to manifest. Okay, make it a bit big. I want to see exactly what is this. The one inside the bracket supposed to be cut for cut push CAT, but the one outside is supposed to be CUT. So if you run it, it gives you IP addresses. Please share the screen. Try me. Try to enlarge it a bit. I want to see exactly what is there. Maybe there is some mistake somewhere. Awe, mnapenya mnano wachi. Kangwa. Kangwa.
Yes, there's a problem.
Even you, it has given an error.
There's a more clear business in common.
Come again.
More clear business in common.
Okay. Yes. Wait. Okay, so this one bin bash for URL in $, cat cisco sub.txt tufunyepo ekyayisa txt do host $URL grep has address cat -d -4 done. Anyway, it looks correct. So nishire kane yobi. Okay, exit. Now, okay, go ahead. C mode, ch mode 7555 cisco.sh. Enter and dot cisco.sh. Enter.
So
Eh,
there is a script that I created and it worked.
of the same type.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see your screen.
This is the script, sir.
Where is it? Share screen yako. For
Yeah, but I used it on
actually
that
it's the same.
on the
It's the same.
subdomains file.
Okay.
Yes, just replace the on the subdomains with
Yes.
Cisco.
That's it's the same script, but okay, all right. Try me. Okay, let him go back. Then he should remove who has address Nesha Sharafilia.
Yes, sir.
But the way it brings that one, it feels if you are rambarambako. Share again. Yes, Taper. So I want to give you another option, but this one is a bit long. Back to the same. Nano. Enter. Wait first. Wait. Go back again. Go back to your files. ls AOS all right, okay. Nano, go to nano. Cisco.sh. Enter. Okay, so niche from F4 delete up to URL. No, not that one, but the ones which is just up to there. But enter, done. Enter, done. Save it, Control O, M, Control O, Control M, Control X. Okay, so let's run it. Chmod 755. Go ahead to the end. Is it a dot? All right, okay, enter. And the dot. No. Dot back forward slash execute. So if you're okay, enter. Are you connected? Want to reconnected?
He is not connected to the internet.
Sir, just a minute in the nano. What exactly did you delete? I didn't see.
Hello? Yes, Moape, you are saying?
You deleted something up to where the URL.
You deleted something?
You're saying you deleted something. No, I didn't see where you ended. Deleting.
I can't hear you.
Deleting. I'm saying you deleted something in the nano.
Oh yes, I deleted something in the nano. I've deleted something from there, it will bring some date stuff, but it will bring the IP addresses still. It will bring it together with has address and the stuff. But our friend's machine, I think, has an issue, maybe.
Sir.
Okay, so who was it? It has brought. What was this one who was saying that it came?
It's me, sir.
Share the screen and let's see the IP address which have come. Okay, so have you seen how date this one looks like? But the IP addresses have come, but it's a bit date. Marupande?
Yes, sir.
Good, yes. So this will come with a lot of date. You see what I mean, eh?
Yes, sir.
But it has brought the IP addresses for the same what? Subdomains, alumni, applications, GSB online, MQual, that's for UNZA. But now if you go to the Cisco one, it will come also with the same date. Now let me give you the command, which is an alternative to that one. Or let me give you the script. It's the same script, but it will refine. Can I share it on WhatsApp?
Yes, I can share it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
hold on. So that one you just copy and paste it and it will run. That's an alternative script. It's an alternative script. So show me for Cisco. I want to see somebody who has done for Cisco the same command, the same script.
James Soko, tawachikiriza vevasava.
Go ahead, James. If you use another one. Yes, but we shouldn't diverge first from this lesson. You can use another way. I'm sure there are so many, like you can even use the host. Yes, so for the Cisco one for you, it has brought this. Let's go to your nano. Okay, just there. So if you try to put space, grep, space grep, I want it to filter out all that date so that it comes out clean, like pa, 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 pa. Grep space has IP address. Sorry, has address, not IP address, has address. I think maybe much has address, close the quotes, close quote. Space again. That thing. Cut. Minus. Space minus. Minus D. Open close quote. Minus F4. Space. Okay, let's see how it works. As I'm getting the other command, try to execute it. Now you can have a command. Remove that colon from the front there at one. Then repeat.
Also, it's still a bit, so it's still refusing.
Tema kusharira tatu.
waza mango ankafunyakiwakitapirira
You were out again.
Okay, so go to your script again. Go to the script.
Sir, I think I've managed.
Okay, Lakson. Okay, show us your screen. James, meantime, let's see what Lakson is going to show us.
So, sir, here's the script, and I saved it.
Okay, good. Okay, we removed the Unza.
Yes, I'm still using the Unza domains. So this is the output,
okay.
sir.
Yes, this is the output. So this is good. So what we mean is it will bring very clean, quite okay. So you should also use it on Cisco domain. Alright, guys, clap for you.
Yes.
We're clapping for you. All right. So James, yours again. Yours again. So it is the same script, except it's a bit. You're also using Unza. I didn't put Cisco. Anyway, anyway, it can work anyhow because they are all our what, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's see the script again. So now you is Cisco, good. Even Unza, good. Okay, so if you are not using the other one, you can still use this one. Are we together? So have these commands in your book, well written. Run the output. Let's see the output. At least now the corresponding IP addresses are clean. If you have noticed, have you seen that they are clean?
Yes, they are clean, sir.
Okay, so that is now the corresponding IP addresses for those subdomains which you retrieved. So you can either use the other bash script or this other bash script. Okay. So now, to summarize, we simply repeated, guys. We simply repeated. We were using Unza, is it the other day? We were using Unza to identify the subdomains which we managed. And some people even piped to the text file, unza.txt. Then today we repeated just for the sake of others who may have had probably were a bit behind. We repeated for Cisco. Right? Identified the subdomains, and then we have used the bash script. We have written a bash script to now retrieve the IP addresses. Although what I wanted the script to run first time and bring very clean IP addresses, except now it's refusing those last parameters, which is still okay. Okay, so then I gave this second one, so which we have run, and it's bringing clean IP addresses as the output. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question, guys?
No question, sir.
No question. We can end here today.
Hello, there's a question here, sir.
Or we can proceed. We can.
Here's the question, sir.
Yes.
I'm behind on the how do we write bash script?
You are behind on how to write the bash script.
Yes.
But we are doing it together when you are saying nano, the script name,
Oh,
then it
okay.
opens the text file,
I will
then you
just
start
do
writing the
typing.
bash script. Hi, Rabbi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, when you say nano, then you give it a name. The script, you give it a name, it opens the text editor. Then in the
Alright.
text editor, you will write now your script. When you save it, it becomes a script. Okay? Becomes a script which you can execute. In other words, it is a program. So that program will retrieve IP addresses. Okay, depending on what you want it to do, some scripts will ping, some scripts will attack, some scripts will do all sorts of things. Okay, but how to write, you say nano, what to follow is a script name. Then the text that you write is your programming now. Okay, easy, your programming. So for today, guys, just hang on. I want tomorrow, at least a lady also shares the screen. Can we have a lady share the screen tomorrow? And who will that be? Ladies. Ladies. Who has agreed to share the screen? For ladies, please represent us. How many ladies are in this class?
I'll share, sir.
Who is this one?
Mary. Mary.
Mary.
Yes.
Has there been a second lady? Because you have been switching men, Kangwa, then Emmanuel, we have been switching James. It is a way of also me checking that people are doing the same screen. You are giving me the same screen. Okay, so who will be the next lady? Yes. Yes. Listen, guys, to the hacker. Listen to the hacker, guys. Yes, James Hacker. Correct. Yes. Mm-hmm. Correct. Clap for him. Clap. Okay, that's correct, James. So mainly, when you are using those parameters, yes, you are telling your computer how it should carry out those tasks. But the overall reason is that you want to automate tasks than having to do them manually one by one. So you want it to run for you. Yeah, that's good, James. Okay. Any question? Any comment? So yesterday, guys, we didn't have a class yesterday. So tomorrow we have a class. I hope nothing